Hey everyone, this is Dan with Learning to Smoke. Today with a quick tip to show you how to trim up and debone some chicken thighs. The reason I'm showing this tip is because it's going to save you money at the grocery store, because you can always get boneless and skinless chicken thighs, but it's going to cost you more than it would be to have it bone in and skin on. But I'll show you how quick and easy it is to do to save yourself a few bucks at the grocery store. So you keep on crushing those barbecue recipes like you do, and more often. So we take the chicken thigh that is bone in and skin on, and we're going to flip it to be skin side down, so that way the meat's exposed on top. And we're going to try and find the bone here and feel for it. Now you can see the bone sticking out on one end, but we're going to feel it go along the way there, and we're going to take our sharp knife and we're going to cut along one side of it, just like that. And as we make that incision, we're going to flip it around to the other side of the bone and cut sharply on that side as well. And then we're going to carve that out. But a wasp is coming to hang out and see us. Get out of here. Now I'm going to cut a little deeper on each side, carve it around, and that wasp won't go away. Watch. Look at that. One shot ninja skills, baby. Now we're going to clean up that mess, wipe it away, also clean off the blade. One method you could do to trim off the bone here is just fold both sides of the meat back on each side of the bone and just cut like that. And as you do, that way the meat just stays intact, bone comes off cleanly. But also make sure after you cut that you feel around in the meat and feel for anything hard, like any cartilage that may be in there. Because I found a piece of cartilage right there at the bottom, so I'm going to trim that out. You definitely don't want to eat that. Doesn't taste good. Not very chewable. So we're going to put that away. And now we're going to take off the skin. And so peeling off the skin is super easy, as you can see here. Just pull on back, yank it off, and you'll see that there's going to be some fat remaining, usually on the ends. And we're going to take our sharp knife and we're just going to trim those off. And make sure that after you trim those off that you even check the top of the meat for the silver skin. Silver skin is like a little thin, shiny surface that is on top of the meat. May stick on there, and the reason that you want to peel that back is because it may make the meat a little more chewy, and that's not what you want. So just peel that off. But I'm going to show you another method here in deboning chicken thigh, so it's going to be pretty similar. You just make incisions on both sides of the bone there. But as you trim through on both sides, you can get under the bone like that. So just cut under the bone, as you can see there. And as I'm doing that, it's almost like I'm separating it from the rest of the meat. But you'll see that I'm still trying to trim it down because I don't want too much meat on that bone. And I just separate the bone from itself like that. You can cut off, and it's going to be a pretty simple process there too. So either way, the bone does come off. Make sure to check for cartilage with this method as well. But peeling off the skin still peels off the same. Deboning and removing the skin from chicken thighs will save you some money, so give me a like on this video if you find this helpful. Hope you enjoyed that tip, and for this tip and more, make sure to like, follow, subscribe here for Learn to Smoke. Till next time, I'm Dan Phelps signing off, saying hope your days are filled with good times, good friends, and good barbecue.